My dad has always been interested in the idea of self-care, and I've always been intrigued by purposeful design. And this is how Posture Meets Design was born. A versatile, transportable, combinable, and purposefully designed posture pillow collection.
The design of the first pillow came from a patient of mine. She was suffering from low back pain, so intense that on the examination table, she was crying from the pain. During my examination, I was testing the flexibility of her low back. I had placed one hand on her shoulder, and with the other one, I was pushing her lower back forward. And when I reached a certain degree of curvature, her body seemed to have regained its balance. What I realized was as simple as it was extraordinary. When placing the lumbar spine into a certain degree of curvature, the entire body regains its core posture. And when it does, the postural muscles of the entire body becomes balanced and relaxed. And then I thought that if I could replicate the specific degree of curvature when sitting in a car, at work, or at home, I could help eliminate one of the major causes of back problem. After many prototypes, I figured out the specific degree that the lower back needed to recreate that phenomenon. I designed the pillows to allow people to improve their own posture.
What interested me about this project is that once we discovered that the shape fits with your body in more ways than just the intended way, it became a matter of purposeful design. Last summer while traveling, I started using the pillows in different ways than what my dad had designed them for. I began flipping them over, turning them upside down, and combining them to shape the space around me. What I discovered was that the curved, indented shape made the pillows extremely versatile. Whether it's during a yoga practice, while studying, laying down, or doing whatever else, you'll be able to improve your posture by filling in the space around you. I love the idea of being able to take my dad's designs and make something not only purposeful, but artful as well. Choosing a fabric that would make the collection look less like posture pillows and more like intriguing design that looks beautiful in any space. And then we also added leather loops to each of the pillows to make them transportable for traveling or just for carrying them around. We love the idea of a collaborative project, and this is why we've been collaborating with amazing artists we've met in the past few months to create all of the content that you see here. Photographers, videographers, models, musicians, and even local businesses worked with us to come up with everything you see on our Kickstarter page, website, and social media. We're so thankful for all of the support that we've gotten so far, and we're so excited to see where the Kickstarter launch brings us.
This outerwear is made for the travelers, the adventurers and explorers, for those who go out to embrace the elements. Highest quality materials combined with style and functionality for an affordable price. This is the bergaffe outerwear. We are outdoor enthusiasts. What we expect from our gears are performance, usability and comfort. We don't want different jackets for different activities. Based on the onion layering principle, we've designed one smart outerwear system that gives you the flexibility for all your outside activities, anytime, anywhere. First, there is the bergaffe Explorer. It's a Primaloft jacket, the best synthetic insulation material on the market. It is extremely light, soft and warm. The design is straightforward, and we've also added a number of amazing features for ambitious outdoor activities as well as everyday urban use. The perfect complement to the Explorer and the best way to adjust to wet and windy conditions are our Ultimate Active Sympatex pants and jackets. They are 100% waterproof, 100% windproof, and optimally breathable at the same time. The Sympatex membrane absorbs the water vapor off your body and removes it through the clothing to the outside. No matter how much it rains, or how much it snows, or how windy it is, this jacket keeps your body warm and dry anytime, anywhere. For us, the best part in developing the bergaffe outerwear was the extensive testing phase. Now we're extremely happy that we can finally offer a high quality product that exceeds all our initial expectations. One set of outerwear that has everything you need to fully enjoy your outdoor activities. After shooting this video, we've slightly adjusted the design of our products. So please check out the final designs and compelling offers on our Kickstarter campaign to be best prepared for your next outdoor adventure.
This is the key. This is our new mattress.
Mattress companies have been lying to you for too long.
It's this year's model.
It all started with the sleazy mattress executives and their ridiculous markups and gimmicks.
And here's next year, and the year after that.
The only real innovation that comes from mattress companies in the last 30 years is their marketing. You see, their focus is not to come up with a better way for you to sleep, but a better way to get you to buy the same thing you've been buying over and over and over again. In 2016, mattresses were roughly marked up over 900% in retail stores and 200% online. Memory foam mattress companies in particular use this brilliant marketing tactic that allows them to do this by simply flipping around the order of the foam that was used in their previous mattress. And since the base layer of these mattresses rarely get changed or affected, you're essentially just shopping for different top layers at an outrageous markup. It's time you stop paying sky-high prices for new and innovative mattresses. Meet Kloudes, a company dedicated to disrupting the mattress industry by introducing a way to keep the mattress you already own while maximizing your comfort and ensuring a perfect night's rest. The Kloudes bottom layer consists of 2 inches of advanced air foam, and unlike any other type of memory foam, it is perforated and infused with cooling gel fibers, while the upper layer features 1 inch of material developed with a unique upcycling process that utilizes the same high-quality memory foam used to create ultra-premium mattresses. This excess is shredded into what we call micro-clouds and embedded into a channel-stitched organic cotton cover. The design locks the microclouds into place, ensuring that the foam is evenly dispersed and maintains form. You can help make Kloudes the better option for everyone by supporting our idea and pre-ordering your Kloudes topper today.
Introducing the PBspoon, the spoon designed for extracting every last bit of peanut butter from the jar. The face of the spoon is shaped like a traditional spoon, but with a flat edge to scrape your jars clean. The back is angled for perfectly spreading peanut butter onto your bread, muffin, or fruit of choice. This spoon also scrapes in both directions, making it easy to use for both right and left-handed people. Even with this functionality, the PBspoon still maintains a classic spoon feel for eating straight from the jar. Featuring a heat-resistant silicone head and hardwood handle, this spoon is made to save your peanut butter for years to come. Although designed specifically for peanut butter, This spoon also works great with other spreads, butters, and jams, and difficult to scoop containers. I have been a lifelong peanut butter addict, so maximizing peanut butter efficiency is important to me. While I was whittling spoons during a camping trip, I realized none of the spoons I made efficiently scraped my peanut butter container and left a significant amount behind. I had a thought. What if there was a cross between a spoon and a spatula to get all the material out of the container? I wanted to maintain the classic feeling of eating peanut butter out of the jar, but also having the ability to get into every nook and cranny. The first model was made in my workshop, cut out on a bandsaw, and hand whittled to the final shape. After daily use of this spoon, I realized the wooden spoon wasn't flexible enough to form the shape of the jar, so I set out to design a better spoon. I started with the original wooden spoon shape and dimensions and created a 3D model, allowing me to quickly advance and tweak the design of the spoon. After many rounds of modeling, 3D printing, and testing prototypes, I have refined the design into a silicone-headed spoon that is ready for market. I have established a manufacturer, and I'm ready for this product to start saving tons of peanut butter around the world. But I need Kickstarter's help to make it happen. I need your help to fund the tooling and inventory required to make the first production run of spoons. Your support will help empty peanut butter jars everywhere.